So what are you doing?
I'm smashing this boy's phone that I found because he stood me up. And I found it, and he was going to come get it today, but instead, he's standing me up. Rubber mallet, BlackBerry, cellular phone. Safety goggles. Dude, that's what we got. Oops, I broke my mallet. What happens when you fuck with me? I smash your $300 phone. I ain't done yet. I want all them stupid buttons gone. Smash, smash, smash. But it's so expensive now, doesn't it? It's still all those stupid buttons. Break. I think that's all I'm gonna get.
You feel better?
Yeah.